Oh, hello everyone. There's a woodpecker there, pecking away. There was one that I saw around the road one morning, but I was not in time to catch him because he just threw away as soon as I started the video. But looky here. Oh, this woodpecker is making a nest is making a place, a home for himself in the light pole. You see him there? He's pecking away, pecking away, pecking away. Oh yes, Mr. Woody Woodpecker. Pecking away, pecking away, pecking away. Look at him. Wow. You wonder how God made his beak so tough that he could pound through the hardwood trees and the hardwood surfaces to make this hole.